Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to clear incognito mode history on Android device. So in order to do that, first of all launch Google Chrome on your Android device. From here just simply go to the search bar and you have to type this. Type Chrome and then tap on the first URL that is on top. With that, you'll come to this page where you can see a list of Chrome URLs. Now scroll down below and tap on the URL that says Chrome History. From here, you will come across various browsing histories of yours, including the browsing histories of incognito mode. So if you tap on the option of clear browsing data, you will be able to clear each and every history from your Google Chrome, including the browser in incognito mode. So this is it for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.